Good morning, guys. How are you today? Fine? Today we will correct our homework, exercise 1, part A on the extra sheet. Let's start. So, we have here three equations. The first one is 345 divided by 4. The second one is 974 divided by 6. And the third one is 5839 divided by 7. Let's start with the first equation. 345 divided by 4. In order to divide two numbers together, the most important thing is to write the table beside each equation. So we have to write table 4. Table 4. I will start with 0, then I will continue by adding how much? 4. So 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 36. I will count it just till 9 numbers in each table. So let's count them up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I will start now digit by digit. Look at the dividend. The first digit here is 3. I said in the previous period, you have to check if the first digit is less than the table. So you have to choose the first two digits. We can do it in one step, or you can write 0 up, 0 down. So 3 is less than 4, so I will choose 34. Now 34, which number very close to 34 in table 4? Very close to it and less than 34. Which one? It's 32 because 36 is bigger. So which number give us 32? It's 8. So don't forget to write the numbers up. So we have to place 8 up and 32 where? Down. When we choose the closest number, now we have to subtract the two numbers here. Subtract 32 from 34. It's how much? 4 minus 2, it's 2. Now I will repeat the same steps. When we make subtraction, before I look at the table, we should bring down the next digit. So I will bring down 5. Now the number is 25. We look at the table and we choose the closest number. Which number very close to 25 and less than 25? It's 24. So we have to place 6 up and 24 where? Down. Subtract both numbers. The number will be 1. Do we have more digits to copy them down? No more digits, so we stop. What can we say about the number that's written up and what can we say about the number that's written down? So 1, we call it remainder, whereas 86, we call it quotient. So our quotient is 86 with a remainder equals 1. So the answer of this division is 86 is the quotient. And the remainder is 1 means 1 is left. Let's do now the second equation. 974 divided by 6. Same way, I will start by writing table 6. This is table 6. Start with 0 always, then continue by adding 6. So 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and 54. We have to count till 9. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's look at the dividend and look at the first digit. 9. Is it less than 6? Less than the table? No, it's bigger. So we can't choose two digits. We have to stop here and choose just one digit because it's bigger than 6. 9. Which number very close to 9 in table 6? And less than 6 and less than 9? It's 6. So we have to place 1 up and 6 were down under 9. Subtract both. Subtract 6 from 9, it's how much? It's 3. I will repeat now the same steps, repetition. Copy the next digit beside 3. So copy 7. 37. Let's choose now the closest number. Which number very close to 37 and less than 37? 36. So we go to the equation. We have to place 6 up, 36 down. When we choose the closest number, we subtract. 7 minus 6, how much? It's 1. 3 minus 3, it's 0. We can skip the 0 from the left. So our quotient, no more digits to copy them down. So we stop. So our quotient is, so 7 minus 6 equals 1. Do we have more digits to copy them down? Yes, I forgot, sorry. We have also 4, so we must bring 4 down now. So 4, I will bring it down. Okay. So the number will be 14. 14. Now let's check. 14. Which number very close to 14 in table 6? It's 12. So we have to place 2 up and 12 where? Down, under 14. 4 minus 2, subtract them both. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now, do we have more digits to copy them down? So now we stop. So what do we call this number that's written down 2? We call it remainder. And what do we call the number that's written up 162? Is the quotient. So our quotient is 162. That's it. The last equation, 5,839 divided by 7. We said that, first of all, we have to write the table. So this is the table. Table 7. We must write table 7. 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63. We must count till 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's look at the equation and start with the first digit in the dividend. It's 5. Let's check first. Is it less or more than 7? It's less. So what shall I do? Choose the first two digits. 58. Look at the table. Which number very close to 58 and less than 58? It's 56. So we have to place, start from up, down, up, down. So I will write 8 up and 56 where? Down. When we choose the closest number, I will subtract both numbers. 8 minus 6, how much? It's 2. Before I choose the closest number, we must bring down 3. Bring it down. Now the number is 23. Which number very close to 23 and less than 23? It's 21. So we have to place 3 up and the 21 were down. Subtract both. 3 minus 1 equals 2 and 2 minus 2 equals 0. Okay, before I look at the table, we must bring down. Do we have more digits? Yes. Which digit now we have to bring it down? 9. I will copy 9. So 29. Look at the table. Which number very close to 29? It's 28. Very close to 29. So which number give us 28? 4. 7 times 4 equals 28. So 4 we have to place it where? Up in the quotient. 28 where? Under 29. Subtract both. The number will be 1. Now, do we have more digits to copy them down? No more digits, so we stop. That's it. So our remainder is 1, means 1 is left, and our quotient is 834. So the answer of this equation is 834 with 1 here is 1 is the remainder, so 1 is left. It's so easy. Just pay attention to the table. Thank you guys. Bye bye.